Okay, we're going to talk today about a new product that we've brought into Techni. We've had a lot of demand for this product from our customers, so we've designed some new dies for our YCP-240C hydraulic swaging tool. Now the YCP-240C tool, you can see this here. We're not going to do a video specifically about this tool today. We've done one already about that, so we'll put a link for that for you to have a look at. It's really these dies that are shown on the screen here. Now we've done 4 different types of this die set, and they go from a 1.5mm ball up to a 4mm ball terminal, and they can all be swaged with this tool. Now the little dies, basically they click straight into the tool like that and just locate into the ram at the top and the bottom, and they're specifically designed for swaging MS20664 type ball terminals and BA3 ball terminals, which are really the same type of fitting, just without a shank on them. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to swage the 4mm version of the ball, which is the biggest one that this tool can do, onto a 4mm cable. So here we go. This is a 4mm 7/7 stainless cable. So I'll do the one with the shank on first of all. So this is the MS20664 C5. Now, we specifically designed this tool for gym companies and gym repair companies, because they tend to use a lot of these fittings and they need access to them on site. But there's no reason you can't use this tool for lots of other applications. So if I just switch the hydraulic action on and just approach the ball. Now the tool actually clicks out when it hits 12 tons, and you'll hear that in a minute. There, so that's the 12-ton pressure reached. So let's release the dies. Now I'll just show you the ball in the first swaging process. It actually has a line running down it there, a little ridge line. Now it's actually okay to press that back in. You can just keep turning the fitting to get a better and better finish. So I'll just turn it in the die there. Switch the action back on. Make sure it's in a different plane. See, it's quite a fast approach speed on the tool, and it's pretty easy to do the swaging. There. So you basically just keep repeating this until you've got the finish on the fitting that you want. Now these fittings are good for about 90% efficiency minimum of the rope breaking load. So once they've been properly swaged, you've got a fitting really there that's going to give you a very high strength termination. Okay, I'm just going to swage on the BA3-5 ball end. That's one of these little terminals. So let's put one on the cable. So get it into the dies. You see the approach speed is pretty quick, and you don't actually have to release the die right the way back down either. So you can actually save yourself a bit of effort, which I'll show you in a second. There, when it cuts out, just release the wheel here. And you can see that's just enough to open the dies, and then you can turn the fitting and then just approach it again like that, and you just keep turning the fitting until you've got a nice finish and the right reduction. Okay, thank you for watching this demonstration of the YCP-240C hydraulic swaging tool fitted with the ball dies. They're a new product for us. If you're interested in these products, you can now buy them at www.techni.uk. Thank you for your time.